What's up, you guys? Ooh.
Okay, Chris.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chris, and you are.
And it's your girl Queen T.
That's new. Queen T. We're back with part 2 to the How Well Do You Know Your Husbands?
Well, okay. This is part 2 of random pop quiz on husband, because in that video I went from asking questions about myself to more so about our past and see how well he paid attention. So that's why I titled it random pop quiz, but it was supposed to be how well does he know me, like just about me as Tia, not us. So this is random pop quiz on wife.
Yeah.
Cause we did say part 2, whatever.
Question number 1. What is my favorite drink?
Dr. Pepper.
Okay, you got that right. Good job. You got that one. See,
Should have said soda. I was gonna say like a liquor drink, but or like beer, but whatever.
What's my favorite beer?
Bud Light, Natural Light. You can be drinking whatever they got. You
Whatever
be drinking.
they got, I'm drinking.
In my shirt.
Okay. What size shoe do I wear?
10 and a half.
You sure?
Yeah, it's a 10. Are you sure? Hell, you be asking
Honestly,
what you
no,
wear.
I don't. Sometimes I'm in a 9.5 of certain shoes. Sometimes I'm in a 10.
You're gonna go with
Sometimes
10.
in a 10.5. It all depends. You're doing
I'm
good.
not.
You're doing good, honey. Good job.
Those are basic.
Okay. What was my nickname for my family when I was a kid?
Duda. Is it Duda?
No. It's close. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and give it to you. It was close. It was Dutta.
Oh, Dada. Okay.
Dutta. They used to call me Dutta Man when I was a kid.
Why?
My auntie got that from New Jack City. I know that's where she got it from. I just recently found it out. But she called me Dutta. She still calls. I'm almost 30 and she still calls me Dutta Man.
That's what they gonna do. That's family. All
I actually had 2. The second one was headquarters. Remember I used to tell you my cousin Mike.
Well, before okay, when you said the name, I saw like Dutta Doodle whatever. I was finna say 50 Cent, but that's a certain male in your.
Mine's dad called me 50, original 50 Cent.
Okay, see,
that's all I asked him for when I was a kid, 50 Cent. And,
okay.
And headquarters. Easy.
So I kind of get a half point.
I give you the point for that.
All right.
Who is my closest aunt?
Christy.
See, you get now. See, you got it.
What you said close because you didn't want to say favorite?
See,
you gonna get in trouble.
Ooh.
You gonna get in trouble.
All are my favorite, man.
No, you said who was my closest. Like you didn't want us to use the word favorite. Ooh, Chris.
What is one of my most proudest moments?
You gotta do a bean or no? Bean coming into the world? No?
Okay.
That ain't it. That's not the one you was thinking.
Yes, it is. Actually, it is.
It took you a minute, even.
No, I just wanted to see if you was going to question, like trick yourself, like, oh, nah. See, you got it. You see, I think you be listening more.
But, I mean,
A lot of
first-time parents, wow, I mean, what else would be your
It
problem?
could be a lot of stuff. It could be a lot of
Besides marrying me, I mean, what?
Ooh, hold up.
His brain is like sickening.
You doing good, baby.
Mm-hmm.
What is my least favorite thing to do at home? Chore or anything? What is my
Your least favorite thing to do?
Yes.
Clean?
No. You won't think it is, but it's actually
cutting the grass?
No. I do it, but honestly, I don't care to do it.
Make up the bed?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I make the bed.
I hate making the bed. I don't see the point in making a bed when you gonna get back in it? I can understand if you're going somewhere or like leaving for a couple of days, and yes, every so often I'll make the bed. But it's stupid. It is the dumbest thing.
When you make the bed, it's like, it's just like neat. It's like a first start of your day. Like, I can't leave the house unless the bed is made. That has since changed because of Taylor, so I be like hustling, busting to get out the house. But when on my lunch break, I try to come and make the bed.
I hate it. That's one thing.
It just gives you some type
you gotta walk from one side of the bed all the way to the other side of the bed just to line it up right. No, it's a lot when you have to move around, dog. Like, you gotta go from one side of the bed all the way to the other. I hate that. It's annoying. And then putting a fitted sheet on. Oh my God.
You act like you really do it. I don't want to be doing it.
That's not the point. It's my least favorite freaking chore. If I had to pick any occupation, what would it be?
EMT.
This is gonna be a two-part, so EMT is one.
And a nurse, dealing with older people.
A nurse, yeah. Being a nurse.
You act like I was wrong.
No, I can't just like, you got it. No, I gotta make you think, yo. Make see if you pay attention to your boy.
No, because you did. You gonna make me you gonna make me second guess myself.
But
like,
you should be positive.
But if you looking at me a certain, like, okay, that's not right. Like, yeah, it's like you need to tell me yes as soon as I say it.
You should be positive, which means you need
to
listen to me.
And nurse, nursing. That was your major.
Big thing with helping.
Yes,
if you don't know, that's like one of my hidden things. If you don't know about me, I mean, if I could switch careers, I would be.
You still can.
I'm not going back to school.
But yeah, if you don't know, Chris, maybe we can do a video like if you don't know. What's something you don't know
about me
by watching
that
YouTube?
I love. Blood and stuff don't face me. It don't at all.
Man, he's a very selfless person.
Selfless.
Very
I like that word. Give me some. I like that. Give me some. Selfless. I'm selfless.
You is. That's
it's
the balance.
Yeah.
Okay. That's not bad as I thought. You got anything harder?
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to spare you. That's what I'm trying to do.
I feel like I got them all right besides mispronunciation.
What's one thing that in my past, that I wish I'd continued doing?
Football.
Wow, this is getting pretty freaking interesting.
You don't think I be
See, I'll be thinking you be paying attention. You actually doing a lot better.
I'm doing a lot better than what I thought.
What I thought.
We just had this conversation. I feel like you don't be opening up a lot, but you really do.
But I feel like I told you some stuff in the midst of saying I don't. We've been together for so long. It's still like stuff like.
You feel like I just don't know.
You don't.
And that's why we do things like this, so we can kind of just.
That's crazy.
See.
That's one of the things. Yeah, playing football.
Okay, let's keep going.
Who was on my seats of the Pontiac? Who jerseys was on my seats?
Chris. On a Pontiac?
On my first car. When I used to come out.
I didn't even really ride with you when you had that car.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
When I used to come to your cousin's house.
I used to get out the bus.
They go to hard questions.
I used to get out the bus. I used to walk from the bus out to my house. And used to pull up, be like, you want to ride? I'd be like, no.
And then when I used to park in front of Angela's house, me and Pooh could be sitting there. You come, what y'all doing?
And I go about my business, but you used to always try to pick me up from the bus stop. Boy, you were finna catch me. My dad was not finna catch me in your car. No. That could be a story time too.
Appreciate that, moms, for the yak, man. The Pontiac, long live.
Oh, yeah, mom.
My mama gave me
my dad
my
was
first car at 15.
My dad was not finna catch me in your car. I was like, no.
Your dad wasn't finna catch me doing nothing.
Okay, I'm trying to think. Is it basketball, soccer? I mean, not soccer. Baseball.
It was basketball. I give you that. It was basketball. Whose jersey was on my seat?
Carmelo.
Yeah.
I did all that and do that.
Somebody need to sign my dog, bruh. Straight up. Give my dog a chance, man. Stop doing my dog Mellow like that, bruh.
He needs to start doing a lot like that. Next.
Look here, we not finna get into that. That's what we not finna get into.
How many more questions you got? I'm doing good. I know my boo. Mm-hmm. And you don't think I be paying attention. let me not speak too soon. Here I go. Speaking too soon.
Next one, 1 or 2 might be easy. But I want to see how fast you can answer these without even just like.
Oh my God! You got a challenge within the challenge.
Yeah, it's a challenge within the challenge. You thought I was just gonna come in here regular.
Okay, what I gotta do?
You have to answer these questions fast as you can. And I'll tell you if you're right. I'm gonna give you 4 of them, okay?
Okay. Should I get a charger for the thing?
You ready?
Wait, what?
I'm gonna ask you 4 things.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if you can get all 4 of them.
Right. So it's like a bonus round?
Boom. Yeah. You ready?
Oh my God.
You ready? Listen now. You ready?
Oh my God. Go ahead.
Favorite TV show?
Supernatural.
Favorite shoe?
Nike.
Favorite food?
Tacos.
Favorite place to be?
Home.
She was nervous.
Was that right?
She was nervous. Yeah, she got all of them right.
Well, I should say the dungeon, which is the main.
That is. You should have said.
I like that, Jeffrey. I ain't even think about that.
Yeah, he was just like.
I was like Supernatural. Home.
Yeah. I'm a huge Supernatural fan. I'm Sam Dean Winchester.
I can't watch that mess.
That is the best TV. I will be 80 years old watching Supernatural season 1 through season 5, but season 1 through season 15 comes on in October.
I don't like nothing.
This is the last season. Yes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself.
Spend time with your wife and your kid. More so me. She gets the time. Yeah, I can't. You got another round?
No,
I like that.
That was good, huh? See? I think you did. I didn't think you was gonna do that good, baby. You surprised me.
I surprised myself. That's it. That was getting fun.
I had a lot of questions.
That's all of them, do?
Yeah.
No.
Pretty much. You actually been paying attention to me.
Oh my God.
Honestly,
oh my God.
Because I be talking about stuff like how old was I? Can ask you a question now. How old was I when I walked to my grandma Mildred's house for the first time?
3.
See, you got it. I was 3 years old walking
attention.
I was 3 years old walking 2 blocks. Yeah.
Why though? Would they watch you? Would your mom watch you go down?
They watched me from.
Make sure you knew where you was going.
Way behind me. I stopped.
It's like, wait, where you going?
Well, they didn't know where I went. I walked around the corner and they looked around the corner and they saw me walking to my grandma's house. Yeah. Right. I stopped at the stop sign at the intersection, looked both ways across the road. Once they saw me go into the 2200 block, they knew I was good. Because everybody watched everybody back in those days.
Rest in peace, Grandma Mildred.
Grandma Mildred, bro. Yeah. I haven't played
that was a good video.
That.
I was so nervous. I was like, okay, well, he gonna ask me, but...
What street did I live on?
Chris, what street? When?
Well, not at that age. What street did I live on?
At 3 years old?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
It's a letter. I'm giving you hints.
A letter?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ian Street?
I gave you a hint. See, I was just giving a hint. But I've said that numerous of times when we passed N Street. I said that numerous of times.
Yeah, that's good. Well, that was a good video. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. But this your video. Close out.
Thank y'all for watching. If you ain't, there's a big button down here. One of these boxes over here.
Right here.
Hit that subscribe, bro. And go in the comments, tell me Chris need to get a lineup or something, boy. This job looking rough.
Follow the big good thumbs up and thank you for watching. We love you so much.
You ain't finna close it. Thank y'all for subscribing. Y'all make sure y'all comment. Y'all hit that like button. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.